10-3 for Adam 44, 30 West Roosevelt.
Get back on to 30 eastbound. Occupied 2 times, 2 black males.
Back on to 30 East, occupied 2 times, 2 black males. Four, Steve, 4.
Light traffic coming up through the construction area.
Copy that construction.
Speed's medium, speed's 60 right now, 70.
Copy, and we're patched in with Little Rock and North Road. Copy Broadway.
We weren't aware of anything. What's going on?
Stay placed in pursuit on 30 eastbound, come up the Broadway with the silver Toyota Camry.
North of that copy.
Speed's still 100.
Medium traffic, 100 miles per hour.
Coming up to Curtis Sykes.
Curtis.
Passing Curtis Sykes. Speed's 110.
Passing Sykes at 110.
Just wrecked out. Started 10-16.
10-4, north interchange.
Yeah, 10-4. It's a rollover.
Copy.
Or lefty.
Anybody else in the car? Anybody else in the car? Anybody else in the car?
One person.
Let me check on them. They got any guns in there?
Got a driver in there.
Hey, turn around, sir.
Copy.
162
Huh?
Robert, 440 will.
Yes, sir. I'm good. You said the driver's in there?
Yo, man. Oh, is he in there?
No, he's not.
Bro.
Stop.
I ain't got nothing on me.
Just sit down.
Damn.
Adam 44 Little Rock. The driver's been ejected and the passenger's talking. Checking on the driver now.
Damn. He right there.
Yeah,
Fuck.
stop.
I got you.
Just relax.
I got you.
Okay?
4 to 8, I'm getting into your car in a minute. Okay. You want to start reading?
Hey, buddy, can you hear me? Hey, buddy, can you hear me? Hey, bud. What's his name?
Ball. Call him Ball. Ball.
Ball?
Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball.
B-A-L-L. Hey, Ball. Hey, Ball. Can you hear me? Hey, Ball. Can you hear me, buddy? Ball. I'll go. Go.
He ain't responding?
Adam 44 Little Rock. The driver's not responding. No, he's not.
Oh. And I told him, you know, bro, I'm a driver, bro. He just can't pick me up this morning.
No, anything I can do.
Fuck, man. Hey. Hey.
We got a body here. Okay? 44 Little Rock, gonna have to start it. I guess go ahead and start 10-11, 10-16. You haven't already. Just walk over to my car. Can you walk?
Hit me up, please.
Are you good?
Man, I'm hurt, man. Fuck.
You ain't got no,
fire now.
you ain't got no guns on
No,
you.
I
Right?
ain't got shit, man. Fuck. Damn.
Just stay seated.
He just came and picked me up, bro. You got behind him and he shit.
Y'all panicked. That's why I pulled you over.
I'm past.
Y'all didn't have no seatbelt on, obviously.
Yeah, I ain't got shit on.
Man, you are lucky.
Bro, please check on him, man. I'm breathing, bro. Check on him.
Let me go. I gotta go get some gloves, okay?
Can you help me get over there at this grass? This shit itchy as hell. I can get up.
Walk this way.
Oh, fuck. How the fuck do you do this shit, man?
Walk this way.
Appreciate it, bro. Fuck, man. My shoes, they came off like this some shit.
Walk this way.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Damn. Oh.
Come on, get in front of my car. I'm gonna set you in my car, okay?
Fuck. Fuck.
Just sit right here. Driver's over there. Unresponsive.
Bro, what the fuck, man?
I'm gonna get some gloves on real quick. You need some?
Can I move around a little bit?
I don't want you to move too much because you just been ejected, thrown out of a car, okay?
I don't even, damn, bro. What the fuck?